7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Welcome everybody to this Thursday on the third day of the third month.
So, third day?
No. Just no.
Fine, but can we check on the salmon again?
Sure.
Like we said yesterday, the salmon will soon be leaving SK. Looks like their last day will be next Friday. Make sure to check them out on our YouTube channel, SKHS Video Production, or swing by the tank near the science hallway. Tick-tock. Time is running out to return overdue books. If you still have books out from last semester or from a class you dropped this semester, you need to get your books in ASAP. If they are not in tomorrow, the fines will stick, with some being as much as $150. And yes, the 2022 talent show is rescheduled for the end of this month. Right now, the junior class is looking for performers and acts. Comedians, jugglers, acrobats, bands, singers, and dancers. Whatever your talent, we want to see it all. Scan the QR code from the posters in the comments and fill out the form to enter your act by Tuesday the 15th. Auditions will be held on Wednesday the 16th after school in Stage 3.
And the Winter Musical is just a day away. Mamma Mia's opens tomorrow night. If you want to watch it, you need to order your tickets now. You can get them by going to tinyurl.com/SKHS events. Seats are limited, so don't miss out. Here's a break from our normal sports news. SK's very own Smash Bros team is tied for first place right now in the regular season throughout all of North America. It is still early in the season, so make sure to cheer on the Esports Club president Dane Hall and his squad. Key Club is holding a Krispy Kreme fundraiser this Saturday. They'll be setting up at the Chevron station on the corner of Sedgwick and Bethel. Get a dozen donuts for $12 or get 2 dozens for $20.
Seniors, your graduation name forms are due. If you plan to graduate, you need to turn them in by tomorrow. See Ms. Murphy in the guidance office to pick up, complete, and return your form. You can also find the form in your grade level classroom. Again, the forms are due tomorrow. Joshins will be at the school and in the Commons next week during lunches to size and take orders for class rings and Letterman jackets. If you place a new order with a minimum deposit of 50%, you will get a free pair of clear wireless earbuds. See the flyers in the comments for more details. Looking for help after you leave SK? Well, you don't have to go far for your quest.
Whoa! There it is, the staircase of death. Look, it's the old man from scene 24.
What is he doing here?
He will ask us He will ask us 3 questions about the Career Center. If one cannot answer the 3 questions about the Career Center, they will be cast into the gorge of sweaty teenagers and messy tables.
I guess I can answer 5 questions.
3 questions.
Stop! Who would descend the staircase of death must answer me these questions 3.
Go on then, I'm not afraid.
What is your name?
Night 4 of South Kitsa?
What is your noble quest?
To get to the Career Center.
What is your favorite color?
Blue?
Right then, off you go.
That's easy.
Oh, for Pete's sake, 4 of you? I don't get paid enough for this. And this PSA is already way too long. One must descend the staircase of death. Answer me 1 question thee. Come on, let's go. What is the best place to go to apply for scholarships?
The Career Center.
What is the best place to go for help applying to jobs?
The Career Center.
What is the best place to go for help on your high school and beyond plan?
The Career Center.
What is all the information needed to fill out your FAFSA? What, you think I was gonna throw you off or something just because you don't know the answer? Mr. Pickard doesn't have the time or budget for those special effects. And besides, the Career Center knows. Come on, get going, shoo.
Can they help with physics homework? I need to compare the velocity for swallows.
What? I don't know that.
Not what I was expecting.
There is a lot the Career Center has to offer, like these great visitations. Today, Pacific Lutheran University will be stopping by. If you want to be a firefighter, EMT, or paramedic, check out the SK Firefighters presentation on Monday. And finally, PSNS Shop 75 painters will stop by Tuesday. Be sure to get a pass if you're at all interested in any of these visits. Now in sophomore news, there is a presentation tonight for sophomores looking to do Running Start at OC or advanced placement classes next year. It all kicks off in the gym with a presentation at 5 for last names A through K and 6 for last names L through Z. Also sophomores, English Smarter Balance testing is happening next week. You must check with your teachers for specific test dates. Juniors will test later this month. For testing status, see Mrs. Wood in the library.
In club news, several clubs are not meeting today. Art, Ceramics, and DECA will meet next week. One club that is meeting today is 3D Animation and Video Game Design. Check out the brand new club in 202D. Also meeting today will be German, Japanese, and yearbook. Meeting tomorrow will be Builders of Unity, Interact, and Shades of Color. And that's it for the show. Today's show is brought to you by...
Wait, we got a sponsor? Please tell me it's not Grammarly.
It's not, but Mark knows.
Today's show is brought to you by the number 3. Oh, wait. There you go. There's 3. And the letter R for Rosquito off the 3rd. And if you want to sponsor the yearbook, you can buy a letter down at the SB office for just $5.
Was this all just for people to buy a letter in the yearbook?
Yep.
So we're not getting paid.
Yep. See you later, SK.